Ni thutha wa gukorwo makihenia muingi maraheana ngombo magitumira ritwa ria mutumia wa mutongoria wa bururi Margaret Kenyatta, seneta wa Kilifi Stewart Mazayo na murunawe wa Bomet Andu undu uria ucungiriirie borithi gwika uthuthuria na gucungiriria kunyitwo kwao.
They are stealing money from the Kenyans. What I want to state here is that the people of Kilifi have been sending money to certain individuals who have been talking to them by phone. And by so doing, the people of Kilifi have been thinking that they are talking to the office of the senator, or they are talking to the senator directly.
Oresegan Alex na murunawe Timothy Ebakore makoretwo makiandikithia muingi kuhitukira nenda cia kiiriu moe ngombo na warikia kwiyandikithia ukirwo no nginyagia urute mbeca cigana ona nigetha uheo ngombo yaku undu uria ni wa maheni.
This has also happened. The same people are using the name of our First Lady, Margaret Kenyatta, to fleece public money. And people are sending money thinking that they are going to get this kind of loans.
Agikira uhoro uyu mukonde, murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa utwiria kaunti-ini ya Kilifi Christopher Chesori, augite aria ya maikitio ngono thutha wa kwamukira mateta kuuma kuri muingi.
These people tell you thank you very much, and then they send you this form. They tell you to fill it and send it back to them immediately. Once you fill this form, they come back to you in a very nice way that your form has been successful. Now we want to process it.
Na mwena wa Mombatha, Ekuiro eeri nimanyitikanire na miguongo inana ya njogu, undu uria ni mugaru na watho. OCPD wa ceceni ya borithi mwena uyu Eliud Monari ni marathuthuria kihumo kia miguongo iyo.
2 suspects in that vehicle and 8 relevant tasks in the same vehicle. The same suspects were arrested. They have been brought here to Makuba police station where they will be charged.
Girifotera Kameme TV. Jita wajiko wa wajiko.